Possible derivation. The derivative of a function with respect to x is equal to the derivative of x cubed e to the x power with respect to x. Use the product rule. The derivative of the product of u and v with respect to x is equal to the derivative of v with respect to x times u plus the derivative of u with respect to x times v. Here, u equals e to the power of x and v equals x cubed, so the derivative is x cubed times the derivative of e to the power of x with respect to x plus e to the power of x times the derivative of x cubed with respect to x. Using the chain rule, the derivative of e to the power of x is the derivative of e to the power of u times the derivative of u with respect to x. Where u equals x, the derivative of e to the power of u is e to the power of u. The derivative of x cubed with respect to x is 3x squared. The derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Multiply these two derivatives together. The derivative of x is 1. This is equal to the derivative of e to the power of x with respect to x, evaluated at x cubed, plus 1 times e to the power of x times x cubed. Use the power rule. The derivative of x to the power of n is n times x to the power of n minus 1, so the derivative of x cubed is 3 times x squared. This is equal to e to the power of x times x cubed plus 3 times x squared e to the power of x. Simplify the expression. Answer equals e to the power of x squared times 3 plus x. The answer is an exponent of e to the power of x. This is equal to x squared times the quantity of 3 plus x.